Yan ang dahilan kung bakit iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at mamumuhay kasama ng kanyang asawang babae.
Ang message ko sa iyo ngayon, mahal, pinapangako ko sa iyo na mamahalin kita, iingatan kita, aalagaan kita alinsunod sa mga kaayusan at pamantayan ni Jehovah. Kaya mahal, excited ako makasama ka sa bagong chapter ng ating buhay. I love you.
At sila ay magiging isang laman. Titingnan natin na malaliman ang panaling igid na to na pangatlo. Ang pangatlong igid na ito ay sinasapatan ito ng pag-ibig. Kaya napakalaga ng pagkakaroon ng pag-ibig. No? Hindi lang pag-ibig kay Pen, hindi lang ikaw Pen na pag-ibig kay Christian, kundi lalong higit na taglayin ninyong dalawa ang pag-ibig sa Diyos na Jehovah.
Tell me why love can't always be this easy. Time seems to stand still when you're standing near me. I've spent my whole life second guessing everything, but now I'm sure it's you that I've been waiting for. Maybe some days but things don't go exactly how we planned, but I'll always be right there to hold your hand. I promise that I'm gonna love you as long as I can. Oh, with everything I am, just tell me why love can't always be this easy. Time
I, Christian Garcia, G. Villabert, take you, Frenzily Jr., Carly Limpin.
I, Frenzily Jr., Kathy Limpin, take you, Christian Garcia Villabert, to be my wedded husband
To be my wedded wife, to love and to cherish,
and deeply respect,
in accordance to the divine law,
as set forth in the Holy Scripture,
for Christian's husband,
for Christian's wife,
for as long as we both,
shall live together on earth,
according to God's marital arrangement.
Tell me why love can't always be this easy. Time seems to stand still when you're standing near me. I spent my whole life second guessing everything, but now I'm sure it's you that I've been waiting for.
Sa'yo'y totoo, ni walang halong biro.
Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito.
Walang ibang mamahalin, kundi ikaw lamang giliw.
Kaya sana'y paniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig walang halong biro. Kaya sana'y maniwalaan mo ang pag-ibig kong ito.